Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide Reels option on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will be leaded to the settings page. Now in the preference, tap on tab bar. Go to customize the bar. Find the option for video or reel. Tap on the icon beside it. Select hide. Now you will not find the option for reel or video in your navigation bar. And that is how to hide Reels option on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.